SMCI, big news, of course, coming yesterday. Was trading up in the morning when we were doing the show off of Micron's earnings, but then at 10:50 a.m., around 10:45 more specifically, a headline hit from Wall Street Journal. The Justice Department probes server maker Supermicro Computer. Former employee accused AI server maker of accounting violations. The probe is at an early stage. So this, comes, of course, after a short report from Hindenburg a few weeks ago that accused them of some, creative accounting, we'll say, and then they delayed the 10K, and then now you have the Justice Department coming in. So it does look like at the end of the day, where there was smoke, there might be a fire. We don't know the exact details yet, but clearly SMCI has got some stuff going on, and the stock got absolutely hammered, down 55 bucks, 12.2%, down another $4 this morning, right at $400.
Bounced where it needed to bounce, in my opinion. You got to the 382. You did undercut it at 373, but you quickly got back up above that. Headline algos are like, sell, monomer, sell, down $100 in like 100 seconds. And then we've bounced and stabilized a little bit here. So I think it's an overshoot, to be honest. I'm not saying I'm coming here buying SMCI today. There's a lot of things that we don't know. More information keeps coming. More headline risk here is there. But I think that 373 from yesterday is safe. Just my opinion.
Boy, this is getting convoluted. This is getting convoluted because you don't know if this is just an acceleration of the other news that they have someone within the company coming out and testifying, or this is like a whole, it keeps getting hit on this kind of news. So
it's the same headline. It's different investigation. So, I mean, we know this information. It's shocking that it goes down 100 points on this. I mean, you have all this stuff cooking here. It's kind of logical that the DOJ would get involved. I mean, don't you think?
Yeah.
Like, it's kind of logical that the DOJ. So the algo sell off 100 points because they just see DOJ involved, it equals automatic sell. But I don't think it surprises anyone that the DOJ would get involved. So with everything that's been said in SMCI, in the media everywhere over the course of the last 2 months, and since all this started, or 6 weeks since this has started, you think the DOJ isn't watching that? They're not watching the media? And everybody's talking about is SMCI cooking the books? Like I honestly think this is to be expected. It's a huge sell-off. I think obvious guy says, yeah, the DOJ was going to look into this. So we don't know anything has come of that. DOJ finds a whole bunch of crooked stuff in there, and then Katie bar the door, the stock's in trouble. Cooking the books, stock's in trouble. But right now, all we know is there's investigations going on, and we're trusting, like if you're investing, if the case is to invest, you're trusting that the I's are dotted and the T's are crossed. We've talked about this before as well. So I think the 100-point sell-off was a little bit overdone yesterday.